Hi, it's FlyTy and Jacinda for Compare Foods TV, and we've been having fun all month long because it's National Hispanic Heritage Month right here at Compare Foods.
Yes, and we had a competition just a little while ago, seeing if you can pick out the correct flags, match it to the right country, and you didn't do too well.
I did okay.
Oh, you went down, buddy.
I did okay. Go watch and see for yourself. I did all right.
Go watch it. And so I thought it would be fair for you to have an opportunity to redeem yourself with another competition.
Oh, this is good. I'm excited. Let's go.
Very simple. 3 countries and 3 dishes, and we're going to see how many you and I can get right.
Okay, I got this. I'm a foodie. I know my dishes, and of course, I know what country they come from.
We'll see. All right, it's time to get this party on the road. Are you ready, FlyTy?
Yes, I know my dishes, I know the ingredients, and I know the country they come from.
He's extremely confident, but it's not going to work today. So we're going to show you all the ingredients, and then we're going to have to name the dish. Are you ready?
Okay, all right, let's go.
All right, here's what's up first. All right, we got some frijoles. We got some cheese. I love this. And we got some pan. All right, what's the dish?
Arepas! Yes, I got it. I got it. I got it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Second country is Mexico. Let's do this.
Mexico.
All right, we got some cheese.
This is easy.
Tortilla. Oh, we have, everyone likes this. The tanjuna, everyone loves this.
Easy.
And some corn.
I know exactly what it is.
What is it?
You want to guess?
No, go
It's
for it.
elote.
Elote.
Yes, yes, yes,
You
yes.
got it right.
2-0. 2-0.
Okay.
2
All right.
to 0.
This is from La República Dominicana. All right, we got some. What are these?
Plátanos.
Good job. All right, and then it looks like this, some sausage.
Sausage?
And then we also have some cheese.
Ah, what is it? What is it? I'll give you one.
Go ahead and say it.
Magu tres wallopos.
No. One more time.
Magu tres
Golpes. You got them all right. Good job, FlyTy.
3-0.
Congratulations, you redeemed yourself.
Absolutely, we're having fun all month long. I told you I was gonna win. It's National Hispanic Heritage Month right here at Compare Foods.
Yeah, he definitely knows his foods. That's a good job.
Make sure you follow us on all of social media, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
At Compare Foods CLT. And go shopping. Compare Foods store near you. It's Jacinda FlyTy for Compare Foods TV. Good job, babe.